India, 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 my India. India, 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 India,
We are youth empowerment class in RDF Martin Law School. We care about nature. We live in Martinla, Banjerupalli and Shekhar Rao Pet, small villages in rural India, Andhra Pradesh. India is developing country, which means problems with poverty, population, pollution, education and health. This is what people often see from our country. This makes us feel sad. We want to show people that Martanla is good place, that India is not only bad.
India, 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 my India.
We come from farming families where farmers have been doing agriculture for long time. So we can inspire people to become farmers and be more sustainable and this way help nature. It is important because we only have one planet. Sustainability means to make the planet last for long. The people take only things they need and live simple life and make on their own so there is no pollution. This is good for people's and the planet's health. For many years people used hand power and the planet was healthy and sustainable. But technology and the industrial revolution that developed the world meant some problems for the planet. There is a way to calculate how we are using the planet, how much we are polluting and if we have enough to last. This tells us how many planets we need for our lives if everyone would do the same. For places that are not sustainable, it means many problems in the future. We interviewed Chandram, he works in Dubai. Before we expected Dubai to be good place with good culture and helping nature because it is developed country and many people from our village go to there to work. Now we know that Dubai people are rich and they can buy things from far away but there is also pollution and economic problems because Dubai is not sustainable. Dubai uses 10 planets which means they take from other countries and future generations. This is bad because there would be more pollution and the country and world will end. Then farmers cannot do agriculture and we will not get food. Now world's people need 2.7 planets for their lives. The goal is to have zero. Indian people uses zero point 0.9 planets, but Martinla needs zero point 0.5 planets only.
India, 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 my India.
Martin has little pollution. We have good environment and many animals. We have good food. We are healthy people. We like our village very much. We are not rich but not poor. People are happy and we can enjoy life with friends and family. In my village, all people live with unity and helping nature. And RDF gives the village good education. RDF stands for Rural Development Foundation. They inspire the rural people. They want to give back to farmers who are doing hard and important work that feeds the nation. In RDF school, we do total subjects like Telugu, English, Science and Maths, but we also do the things. Our garden also important. Ramdu and students grow vegetables that we use to make our lunch. Our village is sustainable in many ways. We use simple tools that give no pollution. Many houses in village are pakka houses made from soil and wood in the village. And we don't use lot of money because we exchange our crops. The Sarpanch is the village president. He is good leader because he lives here and sees us every day. We do not use polluting vehicles because we can walk a cycle everywhere. We grow vegetables, fruits, chilies, corn and rice for our food. Everything we need is here. The future of the planet is sustainable farming. In the future, the farmer is the king. If the people in the world are united to be sustainable, they will save the planet. Because our village is sustainable, we can be proud and say that it is developed.
India, 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 my India. India, 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 my India.
సుస్వరం సంగీతం ఓ భారతీ నీ చరితం సుమధురం నీ గీతం మా భారతీ నీ చరితం నీ దేశ వారసులమ్మా నీ ముందు నిలిచి ఆడి పాడెదం మహాత్ములను కన్నని ఒడిలో నువ్వు కన్న మా జన్మధన్యము ఇండియా 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 మై ఇండియా